Hey guys, quick video today. A little different video than I'm normally making in the last few weeks, but I thought I'd do a little video for the Fliplife community, and this is a home gold testing kit. In this bottle is acid, so be careful. You don't get it on your fingers, and be careful when you use it. But I have a gold imitation ring on the right and a pure gold ring on the left, and it's quite simple. When you buy a kit like this, I bought it off eBay for like 10 bucks. You get this little, I'm not sure if it's graphite or what it is, but it's a plate that comes along, and what you do is you just take the ring or the thing you want to test, and you do some scratching. Just so that you can, I'll move the camera in closer, but you can't really see it. But I can see that there is residue on the plate there, and so that's on the right. And put that in there, and I'm going to scratch the gold on the left. So that's 2 marks. I'm going to take it off and try and show you. Focus. There you can see. Oh, sort of. Oh, come on, focus. Sorry about the focus, guys. Right. What you do is quite simple. You just take the acid and just I can already see the results here, but I'm gonna try and switch the lens to a macro lens, and so just it'll be like that for you, but I'm gonna have to try and switch the lens. Sorry, hang on. Okay, the macro lens is on, and I'm gonna try and focus in on, there you can see on the right, the acid has eaten away. You can see on the top there that there is metal or residue, but the acid has eaten away the metal or the scrape test. But here we have pure gold, and the acid does nothing. So you can see this ring is gold. This ring, which is on sale on eBay, check it out. I'm listing it at 99 cents or $1. And just have a look at my eBay store. You can find a link to my eBay store down in the description. And please, if you like some of what you see there, put in a bid. It's going to the highest bidder above 99 cents. I have several 99 cents items up, and more are coming. So I'm going to try and sorry, but I'm using the manual focuser. This is, I think it was under 10 bucks, but let's just say it was 10 bucks for the kit, the acid, and the plate, or what do you want to call it. And it tests gold in seconds. Right. Thanks for watching, guys. Quick video, and more to come real soon. Bye.